Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Underworld Bo from Brawl Stars. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. First of all, I'm gonna start with drawing an arch curve line across for the top of his head right there. Same is gonna turn downwards at the side. Same is gonna turn from the side diagonally inwards to the middle point and turn it downwards at that corner. Same is gonna turn upwards diagonally and sharp turn back downwards diagonally to the middle point, and same is gonna turn back upwards with a similar diagonal line on the left side. I'm gonna mirror the whole shape on the left corner right there. Above that, inside of that, in the middle point, I'm gonna draw a triangular shape for the nose of the headpiece, and at the side of that triangular shape, I'm gonna draw a tilted oval shape right there. Inside of that, I'm gonna draw another smaller oval shape in the middle point, and I'm gonna fill in the outer corner of that oval shape with black color. Copy that same set of shape on the right side right here. Above the eye at the inner corner, I'm gonna draw a short diagonal line right there and thicken that up. I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side right there. At the side of the skull, I'm gonna draw from the upper corner a line outwards, turn it diagonally downwards at the outer corner, and turn it downwards at the side. Mirror that same diagonal line at this lower point and a line across on the right side. Turn it back upwards at the inner corner right there, and in the middle point inside of that, I'm going to draw a circular shape, and above that at the upper point, I'm going to draw an arch curve line, and at the base of that, a curve line across like that. Mirror that same set of shape at this lower point right here, and on the left side of that, at the upper point, a line outwards, turn it down diagonally to the left, a diagonal curve line to the left and slightly downwards, turn it downwards, curve line downwards from that point and slightly inwards at the lower point, diagonal turn to the right, curve line downwards and curl it slightly out at the lower point. Sharp turn back in on the right side, curl it back to the left and curl it back to the right at the upper point right there, all the way to the side of the head. Inside of the horn, I'm going to draw some lines across at this corner right here downwards. On the left side of that, another similar line again, and at the next niche on the left right here, a diagonal line across and another one at this corner on the left side of that. The next one Below, I'm going to draw a curved line across to the inner corner on the right, and another one slightly below that. I'm going to copy the whole thing on the right side. Below the skull on the right side, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line downwards. Turn it downwards to the side of his jaw. Diagonal turn to the left and downwards, sideways to the middle point. And in the middle point right there, I'm going to draw an upside down V shape. Mirror the same shape on the left side right here. And below the skull in the middle, I'm going to draw his eye off center on the right with a curved line downwards. Semi-square turn to the right diagonally upwards at the outer corner right there. Below that, from the inner corner, a curved line downwards. Semi-square turn to the right diagonally upwards. And semi-square turn upwards at the outer corner of the eye. Inside of that, I'm gonna draw another curved line slightly upwards at this lower point. And for the lower half below, I'm gonna fill that in with black color. Mirror the whole eye shape on the left side. Below the eye in the middle point, I'm going to draw a curved line across. From the outer corner, I'm going to draw another curved line across and turn it downwards in the middle point. Like that. And below the nose, I'm going to draw his mouth with a curved line across. And for his teeth at the side, I'm going to draw a curved line up. Turn it slightly to the right. Sharp turn back down to the mouth. Mirror that same shape again on the right side right there. Now below his face in the middle point, I'm going to draw a V shape for the lower part of his goatee right there. And at the side of that, I'm going to draw his chin with a rectangular shape on the left corner. At the side of that, a line out on both left and right. Turn it downwards, turn it sideways inwards on both sides, and another rectangular shape again at this lower point. Above that, I'm going to draw a line out at this inner corner upwards and turn it back to the right. Mirror that same set of line again on the right side. I'm gonna copy this same set of shape across to the right here. At the side of the chain, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards on the left right there. Turn it sideways to the left and a curved line upwards at the outer corner right there. At the upper point, a curved line across to the right. Inside of that shape at the inner corner, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards right there. Copy that same set of shape again on the right side right here. Now below the chain in the middle point, I'm gonna draw the buckle of his belt with a circular shape right there. And inside of that, a curved line across in the middle point, an oval shape below that curved line right there, and a line downwards in the middle of that oval shape. At the outer corner of the buckle, I'm gonna draw another bigger circle. And on the left side of that, I'm gonna draw a triangular shape and another one on the right side. At the side of the buckle, I'm gonna draw a line across at the upper corner, turn it downwards at the side, and another curved line across for the lower line of the belt right there. Inside of the belt, I'm gonna draw a circular shape right there, and at the side, an arch curved line across sideways. Copy that same shape of the belt on the right side right here. Above the belt at the side, I'm gonna draw a short line upwards on both the left and right. From the side of his sleeve at the upper corner, I'm gonna draw a curved line outwards to the left, sharp turn back to the right at that corner. Slightly above that, another similar curved line across right there. Below the sleeve, I'm gonna draw his arms diagonally downwards at the outer corner. Another curved line downwards below that and turn it down. And for the inner line, a diagonal line outwards and downwards. Another curved line, flare it slightly out and turn it downwards. Below that, I'm gonna draw a curved line across right there. And on both ending points at the side, I'm gonna draw a line downwards right there. And below that, I'm gonna draw a semi-oval shape surrounding the wrist. Inside of that, a curved line across right there. On the right corner, a diagonal curved line out and to the right, turn it back diagonally to the left. On the left side of that, a curved line downwards, curved line across to the left and turn it upwards. Copy that same shape again for the other fingers on the left side right there. Turn it upwards to the side of his wrist. Along his bracelet, I'm gonna draw some circular shape inside of that, and at the side, an arch curved line sideways on the left and on the right side right there. I'm gonna copy the same shape of the arms on the right side. Below the belt, I'm going to draw his pants at the side with a curved line downwards. Turn it diagonally out to the right and zigzag line across to the middle point on the left side of the legs right there. Sharp turn back up diagonally at the inner corner and turn it upwards. In the middle of the legs, I'm gonna draw a curved line across right there, and I'm gonna copy the same shape of the pants on the left side right here. Below that, for his foot, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards on the left and right. From the right corner, turn it sideways to the left, all the way to the front point of the hoofs, and arch curved line across and turn it downwards on the right side. In the middle point of the hoofs, I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards, sharp turn back diagonally down on the left side. Mirror that same shape on the right side of the foot right here. And at the side of his head, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, turn it inwards at this lower point. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. And finally, I'm gonna draw a thick line along the outer edges. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.